Your terminal sessions keep dying. SSH drops, laptop sleeps, and your work vanishes. tmux is the terminal multiplexer that keeps everything alive. Sessions, windows, pane. Installing tmux on macOS is one command with Homebrew. Check the version to confirm. tmux is ready. Now, let's learn the fundamentals. The core concept in tmux: create a new named session. The magic part: list your sessions anytime with tmux-ls and attach to any of them. Sessions are your persistent terminals. Now let's talk Windows. Inside a session, Windows create a new switch between rename a window with Ctrl-B then comma. Useful for knowing what each tab is for. Panes are splits inside a window. Ctrl-B then %splits. Ctrl-B then navigate panes with Ctrl. Zoom a pane full screen with Ctrl-B then Z. Press again to unzoom. A lifesaver. The default change the prefix from enable mouse. Set big. Reload the config live with tmux source dash file. No need to restart. TPM, the tmux plugin manager, unlocks powerful plugins. tmux-resurrect saves your sessions. Tmux continuum from nothing to a bulletproof terminal setup. Your sessions will never die again.